Hello and welcome back to the Triangle Nursery channel. I'm Debbie, and in today's tutorial we're diving into a modern bridal trend that's really captured hearts this season, the minimalist bouquet. Now, minimalist doesn't mean plain, it's all about intentional design, negative space and using each flower with purpose. This style is perfect for contemporary weddings, city ceremonies or brides who want something refined and editorial. Now, today's bouquet will feature sculptural stems like Anthuriums and amaranthus, softened with roses and a touch of textural contrast. It's light, elegant and beautifully on trend. So let's take a quick look at the flowers and materials I'll be using in today's design. So we're starting off with these absolutely glorious green hydrangeas. Then we have some Anthurium, and this particular Anthurium is variety is Pistache. Got 3 stems of those. And then we have some green trailing amaranthus. Love the way that moves. So when your bride is holding that bouquet, it's going to elegantly sway as she walks up the aisle. And then we have some Pink Athena roses. Now what I've actually done is reflexed these roses just so that again it gives a more contemporary full feel to the design. So a fantastic colour combination of greens and pinks. My tools are 12mm anchor tape, green twine, trusty scissors, and I've selected for the handle here some beautiful chiffon frayed edge ribbon. Really adds elegance and again movement to the design. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the hydrangeas as my base. So I'm putting those 2 hydrangeas together. Now these in effect are going to act as your frame. So I'm still going to keep the spiral stem feel that we do for a traditional bouquet, but these will help to keep all of the stems in position. Then next I'm going to add a couple of stems of the trailing amaranthus. Bring one down quite low. And then the other one slightly higher behind. You can see we've kept those stems spiral. I might tuck that one a bit lower. There we go. Next I'm going to add in my Anthuriums. So gently teasing the first one through. That's not the shape I want. Cherry pick your Anthuriums to make sure you're happy with the shape. I want that shape, so I want it to curve backwards. And then my next one, gently manipulating it through the hydrangea. Then I'm going to bring the first of my roses through into the centre. And that's going to bring dominance to the design. And it actually will give you actual and visual weight to the centre of the composition. And then bring my bud slightly lower. Hold the bouquet away from yourself and check that you're happy with the positions. And if you have access to a mirror, then you can actually look in a mirror and check that the placements are all good. And then my last Anthurium I'm going to place in the back. Tuck it in gently. that one underneath. There we go. That's better. Then once you're happy with the placements, just going to adjust that one up slightly. Bring the hydrangea through a bit more so we've got more of that green base. And then tie it with our twine. Then just for extra security, stability, and to hold all of those stems in position, I'm going to use anchor tape to cover the mechanics. Now it's really a comfortable bouquet to hold. It's very well balanced. And the view that the bride is going to get from the back still has a nice array of blooms for her to look at as she's walking down the aisle. So three-dimensional. I'm just going to finish with a bow. I'm going to lay it down gently on the desk, cut the stems to the length appropriate to hold. Now, some people do prefer to keep the stems really long. On this occasion I'm just going to cut them quite short, but the option is there to keep them long if you wish to. Just dispose of those stems. Now the choice is yours on the style of handle that you want to create. So whether you want to have a trailing ribbon or whether you just want a basic handle, it's entirely up to you. I'm just going to lay the bouquet down while I do that. Bind the ribbon around the stems. The lovely thing about using chiffon is it's so malleable, so elegant, and it has a lovely drape to it. So to keep with the simple form of the bouquet that we're using, or we're creating, I'm just going to do a very simple tie. I am keeping the stems long. Now the technique for this really clever way of manipulating roses can be found in one of our previous videos, so do take time to have a look at that. That might be another technique that you can employ within your own floristry designs. And there you have it, a sleek minimalist bouquet that's full of style and structure. Now this kind of bouquet is all about confidence in the materials and the form, and in letting each flower shine on its own. It's a stunning choice for modern weddings and editorial styling alike. Now if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to share your feedback and any comments below. We'd love to hear from you. You'll be able to view all of the products used, and thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.